Hello and welcome. My name is Ahmed. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to speak English more confidently, clearly, and naturally. Learning English does not have to be difficult or stressful. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you do not live in an English-speaking country, you can practice and improve your English every day. Many people think that to speak English well, they must move to the UK, the US, or live next to a native speaker. This is not true. You do not need a native speaker beside you. You do not need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart steps, steps that are easy to repeat, fit into your daily life, and help you feel more comfortable, natural, and confident using English. Let's begin with a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you have heard this word before, maybe not. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve both speaking and listening at the same time. It is simple, yet very powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English like I am speaking to you right now, and you repeat exactly what they say. You do not stop, you do not translate in your mind, and you do not look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound like an echo. You try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone and rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I will say a sentence and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. I listen to English every day. Repeat after me. Shadowing helps me speak better. Repeat. Very good, that is shadowing. At first it may feel a little strange. You might not understand everything, and that is okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, and how it feels in your mouth. Practicing even 5 minutes a day will help you speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. Small habits lead to big results. Now let us talk about the main question. How can you practice English every day? Many learners tell me, Ahmed, I want to learn, but I am always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I do not know how to start. I always say, you do not need a lot of time. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need the right moment. You just need to begin. Here are 5 simple and practical ways to practice English every day in your real life. Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. Listening is the most important step. To speak better, you must listen every day, not just once a week and not only in class. Listening helps you learn new words, understand the rhythm of English, and hear how real people speak. You can listen while walking, cleaning, cooking, or resting. You can listen to English short stories, English news for learners, or simple educational videos. You do not need to understand every word. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, your brain is learning. Make English your background activity. This small habit makes a big difference over time. Tip number 2. Shadow what you hear. Listening is important, but speaking is how you grow stronger. After you hear a sentence or a short part of audio, repeat it aloud. Match the voice, rhythm, and tone. For example, I want to get better at English. Repeat. I do not understand everything, but I keep going. Repeat. I am improving little by little. Repeat. Do this daily. Repeat the same sentences again and again. Over time, your speech becomes smoother, your pronunciation clearer, and your confidence higher. Remember, it does not have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip number 3. Think in English one thought at a time. Start thinking in English instead of translating from your native language. Translation takes time and slows you down. Begin with short, simple sentences in your mind. For example, when you wake up. It is morning, I need water, I'm still sleepy. When you go outside. The sky is clear, the air is fresh, I see a bird. During your day. I am working, I am tired, I will rest after work. These small thoughts help your brain connect directly to English. Later, try saying them quietly or whispering aloud. It becomes like a daily conversation with yourself. Tip number 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is useful, but reading aloud is even better. Reading aloud trains your mouth, tongue, and brain to work together. Choose short, simple texts such as a children's book, a short story, or educational dialogues. Read slowly, then gradually faster and add expression. Imagine you are a teacher reading or explaining to someone. Reading aloud strengthens your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. It is like a gym for your speaking muscles. Tip number 5. Use English in your daily life. English should not only be something you study, it should be something you live. Here are practical ways to do this. Change your phone language to English. Every time you open your phone, you see English words and learn them naturally. Write a short diary in English every day. Just 3 sentences about your day are enough. For example, today I helped my family. I studied English for 10 minutes. I prayed and felt peaceful. Record a 1-minute voice message daily. Speak about your day, your plans, or what you learned. Listening to yourself helps you notice mistakes and improve gradually. Join English speaking groups online that focus on learning, such as educational WhatsApp or Telegram groups. Reading and writing messages helps reinforce English. You can also watch short educational videos that teach English in simple, practical ways. Pause and repeat sentences aloud, copying the tone, speed, and rhythm. These activities are safe, beneficial, and fully suitable for all learners. Small daily actions create strong habits. Strong habits create confident English speakers. Replace small actions in your native language with English. For example, say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Read or listen to short educational texts in English daily. Over time, English becomes part of your life, not just something you study. This is when real fluency begins. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day of these exercises will make a huge difference over weeks and months. Practice daily. Use shadowing, thinking in English, reading aloud, listening, and applying English in your life. Make it part of your phone, journal, thoughts, and voice. Now it is your turn. Start today, begin small, practice consistently, live with English. Your confidence and fluency will grow step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to English Unleashed now, like this video, and comment below. Tell me which tip you will start using today. Together, we will make English a natural part of your life.